Girl, like, okay guys, let's try this mascara from JMCY. And ito yung 3-in-1 Longwear Curling Double End Mascara. So, ito yung applicator ng kanilang primer. And ito naman yung mascara. First is itong primer. Wow! Di naman ganito kahaba yung lashes ko. Ito yung may primer and ito yung wala. So, next is itong mascara. Wow! Girl, like, so this is my lashes after mag-mascara and ito naman yung wala. Like, wow. Look at the difference. And ang gusto ko pa sa mascara na to is hindi siya makalat gamitin. If gusto nyo rin ng mascara na hindi nagbubuo-buo and talaga napapahaba nyo yung pilik mata nyo and very natural lang yung lashes, try nyo na itong JMCY 3-in-1 Longwear Double End Mascara.